What's up, guys? Welcome to the halftime show. We're doing this in the second week of August. So we saw the stock market went down 0.38%, 0.38% today, or 100 points. So we also saw the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones correcting last night. But as of now, we can see the futures pointing to a higher open, which is it's up around 250 points. So we've seen gold rally also, pero the um, last 2 days nag-correct siya from the new high of 2,080. It went down earlier today at 1,860. Okay, so we saw a huge correction, but now it's rebounding from the low of 1,860. Now it's 1,930. So tinitignan ko yung dalawang screen ko dito, which is showing me the gold price, live gold prices. So this halftime show's aim is to just update you guys on what's happening in the market. So what's moving, what is the current news, what's driving these stocks up, what are driving those stocks down. So if you want to stay updated, I try my best to discuss most of the movers for the first 3 days of the week. Okay, so we are all technical based, and this is not a recommendation video. So this is just to talk about what's happening currently in the markets. Okay, so let's get on to our charts. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so this is Dow Jones last night. We saw it up in the morning and then retreated back down. Okay, so Philippines, we saw it. We saw the Philippines rally. Ito na, rally from the low last week. So we had the relief rally. So this is a very, very good sign. It went above the 10 and 20-day MA. Okay, so we saw stocks rallying behind the earnings of good earnings of certain companies. So ano yung mga yon? So we saw URC rally from the bottom after reporting earnings. So it rallied here. This one's the earnings report. It rallied 16%. So that is very, very big for a blue chip company. So if you were aware na nag-report sa ng earnings dito sa day na to during the weekend, this is August, before this day, you were anticipating this one when it went back up from 118 to 124. You could have bought it or bought the next day at 125 at most. Then now it's already doing at 141. Good earnings. On the other hand, ICT naman, nag-report din ng earnings. So, nag-earnings siya dito, no? So, umakyat din. So, we can see it surpassed the previous high. Previous high niya is 107.4. So, but not the 52-week high. So, medyo malakas din to. So, this is one of the winners sa blue chips. Also, we can see Jollibee after reporting bad earnings and close, sabi nila mag-close din ng mga shops, it still rallied after that despite that the news. Okay, so it rallied almost 11%, 10 to 11% rally after reporting earnings, after reporting na mag-close sila ng shops, you know. Lockdown hits Jollibee 10 billion loss, closing of stores, but it still rallied. So I think maybe they are factoring in the COVID. And then sinabi ni Chairman Tony T that they will be back in regular operations by 2021. So who knows what will happen to the food industry, but they are very, very exposed globally also. They have Smash Burger, they have Coffee Bean, they have a lot of stores in China and in the US. So it's very, very hard to say what will be the outlook. They said that they want Smash Burger to be profitable by 2021. So, meron na raw vaccine. So, I guess if there's a vaccine, we can all, sleep well and then hope for the best. But as of now, I don't think it's looking very, very good sa Philippines. Okay, not only the Philippine market but the Philippines in general, given that ang laki na ng ang taas ng rate ng COVID cases natin. Okay, so we saw movers today is mostly gold stocks, right? Because we saw gold retreat from sabi ko nga 2,000 to 1,800 to a low of 1,860. So we saw the reaction in price, pababa rin yan. So if you believe that gold is still in an uptrend, you can buy these stocks, APX, BAM on the 20-day MA or wait at the 50-day MA. LC, the Panto mining also down. LCB mining, PX mining down also at the 20-day MA. So these are very, very extended rallies. So we can see any profit taking 33%. So now it's down in 2 days down 14%, right? Okay, so law of gravity, loser APVI also. This is na basura stocks. Zeus mining down but low volume. See, okay. Ano yung mga up with volume? It's very, very few lang, irrelevant. Cebu Pacific, it's up. Wow. Okay, so you can see a relief rally in Cebu Pacific. 8. Yan. Okay, so it's rallying towards a 50-day MA. So this can be a short-term resistance. So we can see if this turns around. I'm hoping for, kasi sa USA, airlines and travel stocks are rebounding given that sinabi may coronavirus cure and the hopes of airport passenger traffic will increase after that. So I think bargain hunters are buying into this Cebu Pacific na hoping for that ang tawag dito? The vaccine, di ba? Moving forward. So it's a value, more of a value play. Okay, so green is up, so with huge volume also. As you can see, this is a good uptrend stock. I'm not sure about the fundamentals, so now it's attempting to break out. So this is a very, very good chart. Although there's a low momentum here, I will be watching this very, very closely. Yeah. So let's put that in our watch list. Movers also MRC. We saw that move creeping up slowly here. Creeping up slowly, but I don't like this because why? It's creeping up slowly here, and then it might fall down because hindi niya ma-sustain tong uptrend na to. So I'm very, very cautious here, but since sabi nila they have a mine, so that's why maybe it's going up. ACEPH will change name to ACEN. So this is the power sector of Ayala. So we can see it broke out last week from 242, went to high as 281. Now it's correcting again, but still on an uptrending channel. So if you want to get in, you have to wait for that nice pullback, which we can see now. And then what I usually do with my premium members is I draw it for them. So you can see it go down to the 20-day, maybe 20-day, then put uptick here, buy it here. If it goes up here, whatever. Okay. One good stock that I want to point out is Pure Gold. This is a very, very nice example of a big consolidation and then breaking out after that huge consolidation. So we can see it consolidate for around 3 months. And then now it's pushing to 52-week highs. Now at 52, I would be a buyer here if it retraces near 50. So why? Because it's MECQ ulit. Who knows? It might extend. So this is a play again of the ECQ play. And then of course, I've said this every week na everyone's just buying stuff. Everyone's buying basic goods, essentials. Pag lumabas ka ng binibili mo, you go to Pure Gold, you go to SNR. So makes sense. Everything's closed. The mall is closed, limited operations, but Pure Gold is open. Everyone's going there. Also, in that sector is Merrimart. reporting good earnings, but today we saw a huge profit taking. Of course, we can see a profit taking because it went up almost 40%, 46% to be exact, from the low last 2 weeks ago. So we can see this profit take. And then if you want to catch this, I was talking about this last week, you need to catch it near the 10-day MA or 20-day MA, just like what we did last week here around this area na to. You want this to happen around this area. Also, if it continues to move uptrend na. So what is good here, good about this stock now is above the 10 and 20-day MA. I hope the price stays above the 10 and 20-day MA. Okay. What else? PXP moved yesterday, but main news that MVP is still bullish on on the um, the property there for oil exploration. So, and oil also is going up. So maybe this is a beneficiary. So if you draw our line here, oops. So if we draw our line here to be, so it just broke out yesterday. So let's just wait and see what happens here. Okay. SSP is a mover also. Okay, so breakout, but with 1 day reversal candle, so that's not good. So with huge volume, so meaning a lot of people are looking to sell, so that's not good. I'll just be observing this stock. BPI up 2%, but it's still on a downtrend. Banks on a downtrend, weak rally. So yes, Dito Telecom, we can see this go up also from last week, almost 22%, 26% from the low last week. Now, nagpa-profit take. So there's a news that Duterte accelerated the process of bypassing all the telco, yung paggawa ng antenna. So the beneficiary of this will be Dito Telecom, Globe Telecom, and PLDT. So we'll take a look at Globe. Globe gapping down but closing higher. So we can see Globe is now above the 10 and 20-day MA and 50-day MA, most importantly here, above na siya. So this is, and if we draw it, it already broke the trend line. This trend line, it already broke out here. So this is a good sign for Globe. Tel on the other hand is very, very strong. Chart is near the 52-week high. It broke out at 1,300, now at 1,380, looking for a next move up. So I want to buy this near the 10-day MA, usually preferably at 1,360. Okay. Is that dahil ko nasabi? Okay. So there's a lot of opportunities in the market. If you know where to look, if you're looking at the right stocks, there's a chance to make money. Okay, so if we just concentrate on Dito, URC, Jollibee, Tel, and then the mining stocks, Nickel Asia, PX, APX, we can have a decent 5 to 10% or 10 to 15% if you're trading mining stocks at most. But what's important is to take some money off the table when it rallies, so you cannot get caught. You don't get caught up with profit taking with 2 straight down days. Yung nangyari sa mining stocks. But if you're a long-term investor, it's up to you. So that's the wrap for the halftime show. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you liked it. Every Wednesday dito tayo, update ko kayo sa lahat. Premium members, I'll see you on Sunday for our picks for the week. If you want to subscribe, please email me at boominguniversity@gmail.com and you get premium updates. Parang ganito na mas intense. Okay? So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Premium members, see you on Sunday. Thank you very much. Let's all make money last 2 trading days of the week. Make it count. Ingat kayo. Stay safe at home. God bless.